My name's Santiago Perez, and I'm a first-time homeowner. We moved into our home 6 years ago in Jamaica Plain. It's a 3-unit condo, and the building is over 100 years old, so there were certainly some improvements that we were looking to make. So we have done some DIY projects to try to improve our home energy efficiency. And one of the simplest and most impactful was we got solar window film. So you buy a roll of it and you cut it to size and then you place it on your windows. What's great is that all you need is a water sprayer and a squeegee. It has no adhesive, and so it just, using static, it just clings on. And what it does is it reflects back the infrared part of the light spectrum so that all the heat stays outside, but the visible light makes it in, so it's not very noticeable. But we've really noticed that the home doesn't heat up as much when it's sunny out. Before we had to, we would follow the sun and close curtains as the sun went through, and this is just so much simpler. And the beauty of it is, in the winter we can just take them right off; they leave no trace, and then reinstall them in the summer. So it's an easy thing to do, particularly if you're a renter.